Now let's do the calculation for the primary and secondary side of the transformer in accordance with our figure 20-36. Now notice the primary tap off of the feeder conductors. We have an overcurrent device of 250 amp. We take 1/3 of that, and that would be 83 amps in accordance with 240.21 B3 item 1. Now, our second step is to select the conductors. So we'd go to table 310.16, and we're using 75 degrees C terminals. So a number 4 conductor, good for 85 amps, will supply 83 amps. So the solution is correct. The size THW and copper conductors are number 4 AWG. Now we want to size the secondary conductors in accordance with 240.21 B3-2, and we're going to take 480 divided by 208 volt times 1/3 times 250. We come up with 192 amp. So selecting our conductors, table 310.16, the secondary conductors would have to be 3 aught, good for 200 amps each from the 75 degree column in table 310.16 to supply 192. So the solution is our conductors would be 3 aught for that secondary tap for the transformer secondary conductors. Now, to size the overcurrent protection device, step 1, 240.4E does list 240.21 B3 item 2 as a tap rule, and 240.21 C5. We would use table 240.6A to select that overcurrent device on our secondary side of that transformer. So a 3 aught conductor for 200 amps requires 2 aught. Now, 3 aught, and the 3 aught at 200 amps will take care of the 192 amps, and the 200 amp overcurrent device will take care of the conductors plus the load. So we have performed now 2 taps, one from the feeder, and one of the main things is at step 1, getting the ratio, because that 1/3 has to be placed in the primary as well as the secondary. So that's what our figure 20-36 is illustrating, how to apply the 1/3 rule in the primary and secondary using that formula that you see in step 1, 480 divided by 208 volt, times 1/3 times 250 would be 192. And that's how we determine the size conductor in the secondary. Then we just take 1/3 of the feeder overcurrent device, and that would be the minimum size conductors for the feeder tap to the primary side of the transformer. And that's what figure 20-36 is illustrating, how we could make these taps and also place the overall installation within 25 foot from the primary tap off of the feeder to the secondary termination of the conductors. All that plus the transformer has to be within the 25 foot rule that we see in 240.21 B3 and 240.21 C3, and that's what our figure 20-36 is illustrating.